Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Our recipe today is a very spicy, tangy, tasty Schezwan sauce. Schezwan is a popular spicy Indo-Chinese cuisine sauce and has a very strong influence to Indian Chinese cuisine. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start making our Schezwan sauce. For a Schezwan sauce, I will be using around 120 grams of the normal red chilies and I will use 80 grams of the Kashmiri red chilies. This is the pungent variety, and if you do not like the sauce to be very spicy, you can reduce the spiciness by removing the seeds of 1/4 or half of the spicy chilies. And the Kashmiri chilies will give you that red color and taste. But if Kashmiri chilies are not available, you can use the chilies of your choice. We shall transfer the chilies into a container and pour some water into it. The water should cover the chilies completely. We will be soaking our chilies for at least 3 hours. You can use a lesser time, but I would suggest that we should soak it for 3 hours for the very fine and proper texture. So we will keep a weight on it to press down the chilies into the water, and we will let it remain for 3 hours. Our chilies have soaked for 3 hours and are nice, supple and soft. And now we shall boil it. Place the vessel on the stove and light the gas. Allow it to come to a boil. The chilies have started to boil. We shall let it boil for 5 minutes on a high flame, stirring it occasionally. Now we shall lower the gas, place a cover and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. The water has also reduced and the chilies are nice and mushy. We shall now turn off the flame and allow the chilies to cool. Our boiled chilies have cooled down. Now we shall grind it in 2 batches. We have some water. We will not discard this. We will use it to adjust our consistency of the paste. I shall grind the mixture coarsely fine. This is the consistency we require. Our chili paste is ready. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Pour around half cup of oil in the pan and keep the flame on medium. Add 1 cup finely chopped garlic. Stir well. Add 1/4 cup of finely chopped ginger. Fry till it starts to change color. Just to remove the rawness, do not brown it. Add the chili paste and mix well with the ginger garlic. Add around 1½ teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Cook for around 5 minutes till oil leaves the sides. I shall add a little of the chilli water to adjust the consistency. And cover it with a lid. Turn the stove to sim and let it cook for around 8 minutes so that all the flavors of the ginger garlic and the chilies are incorporated in each other. You can see the oil has left the sides. Now we shall add the remaining ingredients. 4 tablespoons of vinegar for the tangy taste. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This will not sweeten your Schezwan sauce, but it will help to merge all the flavors together. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup or sauce. Mix it well. Now I shall be adding a teaspoon of finely chopped celery. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes on low flame so that all the flavors merge with each other. Since it is a Chinese sauce, you can add a teaspoon of Ajinomoto, which is optional. I will not be adding it, but if you desire, you can add it. The vinegar added will help to increase the shelf life of our Schezwan sauce. Our Schezwan sauce is ready. Now I shall turn off the flame and let the sauce cool down. This tasty and amazing Schezwan sauce can be eaten with momos, Chinese cuisine and any other type of cuisine. Do try this tangy, tasty and spicy recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye-bye.